Ever wonder what it truly means to cling to your humanity in a world determined to strip it away? In the desolate landscape of this question isn't just philosophical. It's a daily struggle for Cooper Howard, the ghoul. We've seen his resilience, his coming, his ability to thrive where others crumble. But even the most hardened survivor has a breaking point. Um, Season 2 of the series has delivered a gut-wrenching revelation. The ghoul isn't as invincible as we thought. Uh, he's not merely battling the dangers of the wasteland. He's fighting a war within himself, a desperate attempt to hold on to the last vestiges of his sanity. And we've witnessed the ghoul endure decades, even centuries, in the irradiated ruins of America. He's navigated treacherous alliances, outsmarted enemies, and always found a way to survive. But his longevity comes at a price. The ghoul requires medication to stave off the inevitable descent into feral madness. Previously, the consequences of missing his medication were largely physical weakness, disorientation, physical decline. But episode 6 of season 2 plunges us into a far more terrifying reality. We see the mental erosion begin, the animalistic instincts surfacing, the very essence of Cooper Howard slipping away. Uh, Trapped and impaled, the ghoul's desperate struggle isn't just about escaping physical pain, it's about maintaining control. And it's the concept hissing, spasming, his body betraying him. He fights against the primal urges threatening to consume him. The affirmations he mutters, "I am a human being. Cooper Howard, my daughter is alive," are heartbreaking pleas, desperate anchors to his fading self. The timeline is chilling. Um, Daylight turns to night as the ghoul battles sort of the encroaching darkness within pursuit. Um, we we estimate only hours pass, yet it's enough to push him to the brink. And this isn't a slow decline, it's a rapid unraveling, a terrifying glimpse into what awaits if he fails to secure his medication. The series introduces the crucial element, antiferal medication vials. And these aren't just a plot device, they represent a fragile lifeline, a temporary reprieve from the inevitable springs. And but how long can this reprieve last? And what happens when the vials run out? The question isn't if the ghoul will eventually succumb to virality, but when the wasteland is unpredictable, resources are scarce, and enemies are plentiful. It's a constant race against time, a desperate struggle to maintain control in a world determined to break in. Could a cure for virality or even ghoulism itself be possible? The series hints at potential avenues for research, offering a glimmer of hope amidst the despair. But for now, the focus remains on the present, on the immediate threat of losing everything. The ghoul has fought so hard to preserve. As we watch the ghoul Peter on the edge of oblivion, it's impossible not to feel a sense of dread. Uh, he's not just a character, he's a symbol of resilience, of the enduring human spirit. And the thought of him losing himself to the darkness is truly terrifying. They say ghouls have a hard time with their medication. It's a real violation of their rights. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.